Today I'm going to be driving the new Nissan Kicks. What I like is they come in two-tone colors, like this red on gray and a more subtle gray on blue. This is the SR Premium, comes with 19-inch wheels. It comes with the 360 cam. The tires are a bit wider too than the other ones. It also comes with a different interior, panoramic roof, Bose, speakers on the headrest. And the steering wheel is leather wrapped with orange stitching. The screens in front of the driver are different. It comes with the Pro Pilot Assist. Gonna start it up. The graphics are different too in this than the lower trims. And there's a rear seat sensor that reminds you if you forgot anything on the seat. So I really like this feature. The 360 cam, it works when moving forward and it works when reversing. And these lines are dynamic as well. You can get this view in parking lot type speeds, and here I am going in reverse. I'll shift it to drive, and here I am moving forward, and you get the same view, and you get the same dynamic views when you turn the steering wheel. I really like this. And here I am reversing to park between two cars, and I can see very clearly on the screen. So I'm going to take out this SV trim with all-wheel drive. Interior is different on this. And start it up here. See, the graphics are different. 2-liter engine, comes with front or all-wheel drive, and it will be replacing the Kicks Play, which is this car, which is smaller and comes only in front-wheel drive. It's not a bad looking car, and we're gonna hop in and just take it for a drive here. Good visibility, good seating position. I just have to be careful about this intersection here because I have to accelerate to 50 miles an hour right away, and people speed here. So I'm not going full throttle, but I see a car behind me coming up, so I'm just gonna create some distance here. But yeah, that was pretty effortless. This is a bumpy farm road here, so it's taking the bumps pretty well. It's compliant and comfortable. This would make a good commuter, especially with all-wheel drive, and the size makes it easy to park. So coming up to a stop sign, right turn, accelerate, pretty effortless. And in that turn there, I felt the inside brakes activate a little bit to help the car turn, like in a slow down and then turn, which is pretty cool. So do some handling test here. Does pretty well in merging. Visibility is good. And that concludes my test drive of this car. So I think it's a solid car. Comes with a lot of features.